Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will show you how to get a affiliate link on AliExpress. So if you don't have an AliExpress affiliate account, you need to log in. So to do that, it's not hard at all. You just want to go to Google, and now we want to type AliExpress portals, and you want to click this one here. And as you see, it will take you in here, but to sign up, it will say sign up at the front, and all you gotta do is sign up and fill out all the information it requires. Once you get accepted, you'll be brought into this area here, and then to promote an affiliate link or create an affiliate link, all you gotta do is go to link generator, and now we want the tracking ID, so we just change it to the tracking ID whatever we made it to, and now we put a page URL in. So now we go to a AliExpress here, and we find a product that we want to promote. As you can see, I want to do this one here, and all I got to do is copy this URL. So Control C or copy, and we paste it in here, and we click get tracking link, and as you can see, it has generated a tracking link. And now we can click copy, and we can paste it in here, and it should load. As you can see, it has brought that product up. So that is one way to do that. And another way to do this is not hard at all. We can go to SiteStrap here. I'm not going to set this up, but this is another way, but I prefer to do the other way, but you can do it this way if you want to. Don't use your AO affiliate straps on AliExpress. You can turn it on and off, so you can put the status as enabled, and it will bring this up when you sign into your normal AliExpress account. And if you don't want it on, you can disable it, or you can enable it. But yeah, I don't really use that. I just use the link here and generate it from the generator, and that's how you do that. And if you really wanted to, you can add your payments. Let's go to payments, have a little look here, and now we can put our payments in here, and we click submit once we want to withdraw. Account balance, last 3 months and last 6 months last year, payment information. And now we can click add new bank account if you wanted to, and now we put the bank region, USD currency, name, BIC, and fill out the rest of the information. So that's how you do that if you want to add a bank account. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you did enjoy, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Peace.